So in this question, we're asked to find limit x tends to pi by 4 sin x minus cos x by x minus pi by 4. So it's a very standard question. So we have some expression made of both sin x and cos x in the numerator. So as x tends to pi by 4, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is also equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is 0, pi by 4 minus pi by 4 is again 0. So in such type of questions what we do is, so sin x minus cos x, we'll try to simplify this expression. So sin x minus cos x is equal to sin x minus cos x by root 2 into root 2, right? So I'm multiplying and dividing by root 2. That is equal to, so root 2 times sin x by root 2. So I can write as sin x, 1 by root 2 can be written as cos pi by 4 minus cos x into 1 by root 2 can be written as sin of pi by 4. That is equal to root 2 times sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is sin of a minus b, that is x minus pi by 4. So the numerator is root 2 times sin of x minus pi by 4. So what does the limit become? Limit x tends to pi by 4, root 2 times sin of x minus pi by 4 divided by x minus pi by 4. Now as x tends to pi by 4, where does x minus pi by 4 go? So let x minus pi by 4 is equal to t. So as x tends to pi by 4, x minus pi by 4 obviously tends to 0. So this limit becomes limit t tends to 0 root 2 times sin t by t. So as t tends to 0, sin t by t, this goes to 1 into root 2. So this limit will be equal to square root of